Hey loves, and welcome back to Mommy and Decorate. If you are new here, my name is Ryan Michelle. I'm a wife, mom of 4, and a stay-at-home mom. If you enjoy cleaning motivation, organization, home decor, and lifestyle videos, you are in the right place. On today's video, I will be doing my very first collaboration with the beautiful Lulaa doll. On her channel, you can find beauty, motherhood, lifestyle, and food videos. You can also go find her on her Instagram platform. I will leave all of her information down in the description box down below. So once you're done watching this video, go ahead and head over to her channel. Go show my girl some love. And if you are new here, coming from her channel, hello and welcome. So loves, my bedroom definitely needed some deep cleaning. I will be dusting, vacuuming, and doing a little bit of organizing. I really hate a messy and cluttered space. I wanted to apologize for some of the lighting in certain areas of this video, guys. So guys, make sure you are following me on my Instagram. On my last video, I told you guys about my giveaway. So if you would like to enter, go follow me on Instagram at mommyanddecorate_Ryan so you don't miss out on any new information about the giveaway. Once my channel hits 500 subscribers, I will be giving away a special token of appreciation for all of the love and support you guys have shown me on my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Every like, every comment, every share, all of that matters. And I just want to give you guys something.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love.
So if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also, how is your day going? How did your weekend go? You can leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you are doing today. I will respond to all comments. And if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on there. I upload a lot of content on there as well.
Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take twice away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
So it's been like a month since I've got in my room and dusted. You can see the dust particles just going everywhere. It gets crazy like in this room. I don't know. Maybe I should dust every day, but who has time to dust every day? I don't. So, yeah, I will be dusting this room away today.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Ooh, 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 and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long. Just stay with me for a drink and show me a good time. If I wanted more than this, I'd love you until I'm gone. But you only get a sip, so show me a good time. I don't care. Ooh.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so...
Hey loves, thank you if you are still here watching this video right now. I upload videos every Monday and every Friday at 8 a.m. So, sorry, that is Lauren. But if you are still here watching this video with me, I just want to thank you for all the love and the support. Thank you.